Now we have to bleed the brakes, and once we bleed the brakes, it's time to put the wheels on and freaking put the lug nuts on, and then freaking jump start the car. And if that doesn't work, I have to get a new battery. So let's go ahead and do that right now. I'm gonna find a method on how to bleed the brakes because I forgot, and I'll show you guys. So let's get to it. Alright everybody, so I found the order. Basically, if you're behind the car, you want to go towards the driver's side. So it's rear right passenger, rear left passenger, front right passenger, and front left driver. That makes sense. So it's rear right, rear left, front right, front left. I got this brake bleeder kit. This is from O'Reilly's. I've used this before and it works. So basically how it works is, if I remember, what it is that this is a magnet and it sticks. Boom, sticks. From what I remember, you attach this clear tube towards the end of this, and basically it attaches right here onto your bleeder screw. If you guys don't know what your bleeder screw is, it looks exactly like that. This thing right here. When you unscrew the bleeder screw, it's gonna let all the air bubbles out in the system. And basically what you want to do is, you want to attach this little pedal thing towards that end of the clear tube, and then you want to put it inside inside the bleeder. And then after that's done, what you want to do is you want to, what the heck, man, it's being stupid. Basically how this works is, right when you find your attachment, right, and then you get this, basically you keep this empty because it's gonna remove all the air bubbles into this little bottle. And what you're gonna do is attach this little pedal thing onto that bleeder screw I showed you guys. Once you get this whole thing set up, what you want to do is you want to pump the brake pedal slowly. I'm just reading the directions off of this, until pedal pressure becomes hard. And then while holding the pedal down, you want to open the bleeder screw. You want to make sure there's no air bubbles, and when the pedal goes down to the floor, you close the bleeder screw and repeat pumping the brake pedal slowly until pedal pressure becomes hard, until there's no bubbles visible, and you firmly tighten the bleeder screw. Then remove the bleeder kit and then move on to the next one. So I'll show you guys. It's pretty complicated, but I'll show you guys. Alright everyone, so this is how we're gonna do it. I'm gonna use a 10mm to open up the bleeder screw. I don't want to open up a lot. And then we're gonna depress the brake pedals. And one way we know that we are good is if there are no bubbles in the little clear tube. So we'll go ahead and do that. Let's try it. Okay, there's a little bit, there are bubbles. I'll do it one more time. Alright everybody, as you guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see actually, but there are no more air bubbles. Damn it. You see there's no air bubbles. This one should be good, so I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. So let's go ahead and do that. On to the next one. Go ahead and do we're gonna go ahead and do the rear driver's side now. Oh, that's a crazy spider. Okay. Same thing. Place it. Alright everybody, so if you guys are wondering, once I loosen it, right, so I'm loosening it, right, until the point where there's like fluid coming out. So there's fluid coming out. Dude, what the heck? Right there. Once I know there's fluid coming out, I'm gonna press the brake pedal, so then that way it'll push the air into the bottle. That's basically how the whole thing works. So go and do that. A little bit more. Now we gotta empty the bottle really quick. So I think there's a lot more air bubbles in this one. Go ahead and empty this out really quick. Alright everyone, so we're emptying this out really quick. Right here. Cool. So it's super easy. I like this kit. It's worked really well for me. So we'll go ahead and redo that again. It makes it super easy, you know, because you're just doing it by yourself. You have no one to do it with. And then it makes life so much easier, guys. So same thing, go ahead and loosen it. It's towards me, like so. That should be okay like that. Alright, it looks like there's no air bubble. A little bit air bubble. Let's do it one more time. Tighten it. You guys get the gist of it, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest. And I'll get back to you guys. Alright everybody, I'm actually pressed for time right now. The brakes were very squishy until I reached the driver's side, because I guess brake fluid was leaking there because my dumbass didn't put in the brake caliper to the right spot before installing the axle, I believe, because the axle got messed up. And then I had to unloosen the bolt that holds the brake line, and brake fluid was like spilling everywhere. So there's a lot of air in the system right now, but I don't have brake fluid, so I need to get that. I'm actually gonna work on the car tomorrow, so maybe tomorrow will be like the finishing touches, and then jump starting the car, or if I need to get a new battery. And that's basically it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Installing the brake master cylinder was super easy. Flushing the brake fluid super easy too. You just gotta keep at it until there's no air bubbles. Obviously for me, the air bubbles are all on the driver's side, so right now I'm gonna fix that tomorrow, but unfortunately time has ran out. Catch you guys tomorrow or next week when you guys see this video. Make sure to follow the gram. It's gonna be right here in this corner right here. Catch you guys later. Peace out. Morning everybody. So today is the freaking day my car is gonna freaking start. So right now, where is it? What the hell is it? Alright, right now we're gonna jump start it. Done bleeding the brakes. It was a B word to fix the driver's side. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I'm most definitely sure that the brakes are so much better. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna jump start the car, and then we'll get to hear the initial sound of the car, see if I need a new battery or not. Let's get it, guys. Hell yeah, let's go. Alright everyone, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put on the wheels, put on the lug nuts, and I think I should have enough space to back up. I'm going to go ahead and test drive it. I'm going to get some new gas for the car, because you know the gas has been sitting for like months. So the last thing I want is to mess it up or whatnot, you know, clean the system and whatnot. I need to get ready for smog, but I mean, everything should be fairly new, I hope, so I'm going to try to do that. If not, I'm going to do that guaranteed to pass thing, or a sea foam for sure, but let's put on those wheels. So I got Muteki's. I got Muteki lug nuts. If you guys are wondering what lug nuts I got, the reason why I got Muteki's as well, I know I talked about it in the little parts haul. A lot of people have autocross / tracked with these cheap lug nuts, and they said it was fine. I barely saw any like bad reviews on it, so I'm just gonna go ahead and go with Muteki's. You know, why not, right? So put on those wheels. If you guys are wondering what wheels I got, these are Advan Racing TC01s. So they're discontinued. Reason why I got Advans is primarily because I've always wanted like nice white wheels. If I were to re-choose everything, I'd probably go with Volk TEs, obviously, but these wheels will do. I mean, it's nice, it's white, it's light, super light, guys. Advan for the win. A lot of people who do Kanjo racing, which is highway racing in Japan, you know, they love Advan wheels. So you never go wrong with Advans or TEs. They're super light, so go ahead and install it. Alright everyone, so this is how the car sits. Just a little quick walk around. See, it's pretty low, but hey man, it's a clean looking car. As you can see, the BYS wing, the fake BYS wing is the clear coat's peeling. I'm actually thinking about going back to stock because you know, I want to be an advocate of, you know, using real parts, but obviously that's not a real part. And if you guys are wondering what's next for the car, I still have more stuff to fix. You know, it's hella dirty. I gotta clean in front of my house and just everything in general. But if you guys like this stuff, you guys like the journey, the documentation, please like, comment, subscribe. And there you go guys. I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.